How to enable call forwarding on Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, and if you find it useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now, the first step that you need to do is to go to your call dialer, then click on those four dots on your top right corner. Then go to settings. Then under income calls, you are going to tap on call forwarding. Then here you can choose when your call should be forwarded. So if it is always, then you need to tap on always. If it is when busy, you need to tap when busy, and when unanswered, or even when unreached. So I'm going to tap when unanswered. I'm going to tap on that. Then you can select the contact that you want your calls always to be forwarded to. So if you tap on the contact icon, you can select the contact that you want your call to be forwarded to when you are busy. So I'm going to write my number here, my other number. I'm going to write it here. Then tap on enable. So whenever someone calls me and my call is unanswered, the call will be forwarded to this number. So that's simply it, guys. That's how to enable call forwarding on Android phone. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next.